A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are safe and secure at home. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry online class. Before going to our class, a small prayer. Dear God, please help me today. Give me strength when I am weak. Lend me a shoulder when I need to cry, and help me up when I fall. Amen. Before going to our lesson, today we will discuss about what is chemistry, what is the use of chemistry. Chemistry is the science of study of matter, including its properties, composition, as well as reactivity. Chemistry relates to everything that can be sensed from the minute elements to complex structures. The atom and molecules are the basic unit or components of chemistry. Introduction to chemistry. Chemistry meaning and importance. Science is based on facts which have collected by careful observations and then they are verification through scientific method. Till now, you have studied about your surroundings, plants and animals, physical phenomena like evaporation, condensation, etc. as a part of science, but now onwards, we will divide a field of study into various branches of science, physics, chemistry and biology. The branch of science which deals with the study of materials, substances, especially about the composition methods of preparation, properties and their reactions with other substances is called chemistry. Okay students, development of chemistry. Chemistry in early age, water, air were probably very first chemicals, none used for existence. The knowledge of making fire, man's knowledge regarding metals developed. He needed vessels to cook food in, and this led discovery of metals. He also made weapons from metals. Charac and Shrustut, founder of medicine in our country, knew a lot using plant extracts for curing people. Sargassum, a plant extract, was using dressing wounds. Glass, which is used by numerous things, was first made at Egypt around 3000 BCE by using sand, soda and lime. Substances could be anything from a grain of sand to a mountain, from unicellular organism to man, or from milk to petroleum. Study of its composition, that is about particles of which is made up, come in the chemistry. The material of which is physical body is made up of is called a substance. A substance may be formed in nature or may be man-made or synthesized. Substances undergo physical or chemical changes when subjected to an energy changed. Hence, to understand them is necessary the process of studying the properties of substances and manner in which they interact with each other is time taking. A chemist performs experiments with materials under various conditions. Observations are recorded and finally conclusion recording the behavior of substances is drawn. Discovery of new substances takes place in this manner. Sometimes new properties of known substances are also discovered. Discovering a new method of extraction of aluminium from bauxite made aluminium very cheap. Earlier, due to the cost of extraction of aluminium was very costly, but Charles Hall discovered if an impure cryolite was added to aluminium oxide, its extraction could be done very easily now. You know that aluminium is used in numerous household appliances. Notable chemists and scientists and their contribution to chemistry. A person who studied and gained specialization in chemistry is called a chemist. Some eminent chemists. 16th century was the age of Renaissance as well as the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. Chemicals, carbon dioxide was discovered in 1630 by Van Helmont. 1772, Rutherford discovered nitrogen. 1774, Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen and ammonia. 1776, Cavendish prepared hydrogen gas. 1777, Lavoisier found that sulfur is an element. 1807, John Dalton gave the atomic theory. At the turn of 19th century, modern atomic theory was established. Importance of chemistry. Chemistry is played an important role in everyday life and helps to fulfill man's basic needs. Some major fields in which chemistry has contributed are: first one, food and chemistry. Good yield of crops is possible only due to back-breaking labor of farmers. They used fertilizers that are chemicals also. Daily spraying of insecticides. Second one, cosmetics and chemistry. Cosmetics consumed by us are chemical combines. This research and production is a chemical process. Third one, clothing and chemistry. Development of various clothing textile industry have been possible due to chemistry only. Chemicals as medicines. Medicines consumed by us are chemical combines. Their research and production is joint venture of chemistry and biochemistry. Chemicals in industries. Paints and pigments. All pigments which are used today are chemical compounds. Most of them are lead compounds. For the pigments, light green is a compound of copper. Plastics. Nearly 75% of the things we use are made up of plastic. Buckets in which we store water, mug, soap case, toothbrush, etc. All are different kinds of plastics which are a product of chemical research. Steel industries. Steel Authority of India Limited opposes of Bokaro, Bhilai. Made India amazing power in production of steel. Textile industry. Dyes is used in textile industry or a product of chemistry. Clothing materials like nylon, rayon, etc. are synthetic fibers developed from chemicals. Dear students, once again listen importance and introduction to chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of physical science that studies the composition, structure, properties and changes of matter. It is sometimes called the central science because other natural sciences including physics and biology and physics. Now, matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space, states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Solid example ice cube, liquid water, gas water vapor. Atom, subatomic particles, neutrons, protons, and electrons. Neutron, proton, electron. Neutron, no charge. Electron, negative charge. Proton, positive charge. Periodic table. We know that around 118 elements in the periodic table. First one, alkali metals, also known as group A1 or 1A. Very reactive, malleable, ductile, good conductors. Most reactive elements are cesium and francium. Can explode when exposed to water. One loosely bound valency electron. Valency electron is 1. Alkali metals after alkaline earth metals, also known as group 2A. Low electron affinities and electronegativities. 2 electrons in the outer shell. Smaller atomic radii than alkali metals. Readily form divalent cations. Cation means positive charge ions that is having the giving nature. After alkaline earth metals, transition metals, fairly unreactive, malleable, high melting and boiling points, electrically charged. Next one, halogens, very high electronegativities, 7 valency electron, low ionization energy. Metals, solids at a room temperature, metalloids passes characteristics of metals and non-metals. Non-metals are brittle solids. Non-metals gain electrons easily. Next one is the lanthanides. Lanthanides are very reactive and strong reducing agents, highly melting and boiling point, silverly white colored elements. Actinides, all radioactive, highly electropositive, very dense metals with distinct structures, combined directly with most materials. Noble gases or inert gases, last group, fairly non-reactive, complete valency shell, very less electronegativities, low boiling point and all gases at room temperature. And every chemical having some bonding nature is there. How to find out the bonding? That giving nature and taking nature. First one is the covalent bond. Covalent bond share electrons. That is sharing electrons. Here H2O. H2 plus ions, O minus ion. Next one is the ionic bonds. Ionic bond means they sharing ions. Positive ion shared to the negative ion. Cation and anion. Here we taking the sodium and chlorine. Every outermost shell having 8 electrons. Oppositely charged. Every outermost shell having 8 electrons. That is the octet rule or electrostatically attracted. NaCl means that is our common salt. Dear students, I hope all are understood today's topic, what is chemistry, importance of chemistry, and what is the use of chemistry. Next class we will discuss our textbook, IIT textbook lesson. Thank you and God bless you all.